Well, welcome back to Channel 1. Today I'm going to be revisiting the tractor on my tractor trailer trucks that I put together. And one of the trucks I've seen online, there are Peterbilts and they've stretched them. And I kind of like the looks of those a little bit, so I thought I'd try one. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the sleeper on top, the extended sleeper part of it. I'm going to extend a little bit like they have done on the Peterbilts. And I'm going to pull my nose out a little bit. And I'm going to bring the back end out a little bit. I'm going to still use my same pattern just to get the rough idea of what I need, and then I'm going to expand on that as we go. I like what I've done on my wheels on the past, either making them or just kind of putting these on the lathe and bringing them down a little bit. Absolutely going to add another fuel tank on either side. That's a given because I'm going to be stretching them, and I want to increase the size of the stacks as well. So that's pretty much what's going to be happening today, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, there it is. Came out really well. So I just took the pattern that I had and I kind of stretched it out a little bit. I wasn't sure how it was going to look without the extended sleeper, but I'm actually starting to like the looks of it a lot better than the ones that I have done. The extra fuel tank on either side added a lot to it. Have the traditional antennas and mirrors. Got the air filters on either side of the truck. I like that a lot. The oversized stacks, that came out really well as well. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully I'll be building some more of these, and maybe I'll add some other things to them later on. So, thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.